In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Asana account. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Asana. From the search results, click the official asana.com link to head straight to the site. On the sign up screen, choose the option that says sign up with your Google Work account. This is the quickest way to get started, and it keeps your login secure through Google's authentication. A Google window will appear asking you to choose an account. Select the Google account you want to use for Asana, then press continue to grant access. Take a moment to review what you're agreeing to. Asana only needs your basic profile and email so it can create your workspace. You'll be brought into Asana's account setup flow. Click Continue to begin. When you see a prompt highlighted on the page, follow that on-screen cue to move forward. Next, Asana will ask a few short questions to tailor your experience. First, choose your role. If you don't want to specify, you can select Prefer Not to Say. Then choose your function in the organization, and again, selecting Prefer Not to Say is perfectly fine. Finally, choose what you want to use Asana for. These answers help Asana suggest templates and sample projects, but they don't lock you into anything. You can change them later. After making your selections, click Continue. You'll move through a few quick introductory screens. Keep clicking, continue to step through the tips and get your workspace ready. When you reach the prompt that says Take me to my project, click it to open your starter project. At this point, Asana may invite you to add teammates. This is optional. If you're just exploring or setting things up, you can skip for now and invite people later from within your project or workspace. To wrap up, click Home in the left-hand sidebar. Home is your central dashboard where you'll see your projects, tasks, and helpful getting started cards. From here, you're all set to create tasks and explore different views like list or board. If you used a work email, Asana can automatically connect you with others on the same domain, which makes collaboration easier. You can also fine-tune notifications on your profile and settings to match how you like to work. And remember, anything you chose during setup can be adjusted later, so don't worry about being perfect on the first pass. That's it. Your Asana account is ready to use.